Hello. You have probably come to this video because you have read my book, Strengthen Your Fiction by Understanding Weasel Words, and have bought my Weasel Word code for Word. If you haven't, and you've stumbled upon me because you have some macro coding for Word of your own and you need to know where to put it, this video will help you. So the first thing you need to do is save your code to where you will remember where it is. Here it is. It's a text file, and it is on my desktop. You need to know where that is for just a minute, or in just a minute. Open up Word. What you're going to need to do, you're probably on the Home tab. Go to the View tab, find Macros, this down arrow, and push View Macros. I don't have any macros. If you do, that's fine, but put in a placeholder name. We're just going to call this Weasels, and we're going to create a macro called Weasels. Now here, if I wanted to longhand do macro coding, I could. If you have other macro coding, you won't want to erase that. You'll just want to erase the sub-weasels, weasels macro, and sub part here. But since I have nothing, it's pretty easy. Just get rid of it. Now what I need to do is put in the code that I've bought. So we need to go to the desktop, open it up. Here it is. Now edit, select all, or Control A to select all, and we're going to copy it. And we're going to go into that area again. I'm going to paste it. Now everything is there. There is gobs of code here that you didn't have to do hours coding. Just click out of it and it is all there. Where is it? Go to macros, view macros, and look, there they all are. So let's try one out. So let's do adverb weasels and pronoun cluster weasels because those are pretty easy. So do fairly, if I can spell, fairly, exactly, wonderfully, and he, she. All right, so we want to pick these words out, and let's just pick some other words. Just want to write some words. Okay, so we are going to go to macros, view macro, and we're going to do the adverb weasels. That should get all of our ly suffix words out. So press adverb weasels, run, and there you go. They are highlighted. Nothing else is. Let's do pronoun cluster weasels, view macros, and find the pronoun cluster weasels. You can write down here in the description what it is. So like if you want to write what you're looking for, you can write a description here. It doesn't come over in the coding. It's just for your own good. So if you want to write your own description, you can. So press run. And there they are. He and he, she and she, they are different. And actually just is an unneeded weasel. So I do that. Find the unneeded weasel words. Run. And there you go. Actually fairly just, and some are as well. So there you go. They are all ready for you. And that is all you need to do. Now to work with it, so let's say you want to fix this and she, you want to get rid of just, wants to write words. We don't want the sum, and we don't need all these other she's. Get rid of it, all that, and let's only do exact. Whatever, you can go and do all your stuff here and then write something else in to exact to the whatever. I don't know. I'm just making up words. Now once you've finished editing with your weasel words, you can just, if you don't want to take out fairly or she, just leave it alone. And then you're going to select all or Control A, and then you're going to come over here and you're going to take off all the highlights, and then you can get back to writing like normal. So that is how you used your weasel words that you've got already inputted. So you go to the view macros, choose the one you want to run it, then edit it however you want. Once you are done, Control and unhighlight everything, and you are back to writing normal.